Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. Today I have a couple of easy crock pot recipes to share with y'all, which are perfect for this season. Now the first recipe is called split pea soup, and it's one of my favorites. You will need 1 pound of split peas. You will also need some vegetables like carrots and onion, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, I did not measure the vegetables at all, but the exact recipe will be in the description box. I also have some chicken stock. Now this here is a smoked turkey drum that I used in a previous dinner, and I didn't want to waste it. So I'm just going to pull the meat off the bone and place all of these ingredients in a crock pot. That smoked flavor will definitely enhance the soup, and I gotta say y'all, it was delicious. Now going back to the split peas, if y'all not familiar with it, this is the package that I usually buy. It's the Hertz brand, ham peas brand, and I did purchase it from Publix, and it has a seasoning package on the inside and a recipe to follow as well on the back. Now as you can see, I'm just pretty much tossing all of the ingredients into the crock pot. There's that seasoning packet I mentioned. Few hours later, and the split pea soup is finished. Y'all, this soup here is a must try. I love the carrots and the onion flavor. It's just a perfect comforting soup. You can serve it with rice, crackers, whatever you like. And as you can see, my husband is tasting this soup for the first time, and he loves it. He really wants me to make more of it. The second recipe is a 15 bean soup, and it's really good as well. The exact recipe is on the back for you to follow, and it does require just a little prepping time. You will need to soak the beans 8 hours during the day, or you can let it soak in water overnight. Few hours later, I have the beans in a crock pot. I'm adding the chicken broth, 1 can of stewed tomato, and also about a cup of chopped onion. And here's the seasoning that came in the 15 bean soup as well package. I'm adding the clean smoked ham hocks and minced garlic. So you're just going to combine everything together and cover the crock pot and let it cook for about 6 hours. In my case, I had it on high, and here's the results, y'all. My husband especially loved this soup. I believe it's because of the smoked pork that I added to it. I think so. But anyway, if y'all not pork lovers, y'all can easily eliminate it and add the smoked turkey or just the classic bean soup. This recipe here is just delicious and filling, and it's budget friendly. Thanks y'all for watching. Stick around and subscribe. Lots more fall recipes coming y'all way. Y'all take care now.